Hello and welcome. Let's find out what's our next craft. A circle getting all glued up. Then it's being folded on two sides and a nose is put on it. Two eyes as well and two triangle ears. Wow, a fob. Well done. Now let's cut out heart shapes in black and yellow and arrange them alternately, just like you can see. Now put two thin strips of paper as antennae, two eyes, a mouth and a pair of wings. Honeybee. Now let's make a crab. For making a crab, we will need paper circle in different sizes folded in half. Now let's make the eyes and join all the body parts together. There we are. What do we do with this black paper strip? Let me show you. Let's add the pink round ears, two eyes and whiskers, a nose and a tail. Hey, that's a mousey! That was easy, wasn't it? How about I show you a new art with hearts? A heart nose, two googly eyes, a tail and stripes. A tiger. Now watch closely how to make a honeybee in the most simplest of ways. All you need is to begin with a paper cylinder. Cut out a heart shape for the wings and bring them together. It's complete. You know, the simplest of shapes can help us make the most beautiful of arts, just like this one. All you need are circles. Now cut out hearts in different colors and different sizes, just like this. We are going to make a butterfly. Don't forget the facial features and the antennae. Goodbye.